In today's video, we will discuss how to keep your car in the center of the lane. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. To keep your car in the center of the lane, you should have an idea of this line. You do not need to keep looking directly at this line. While driving, just be aware that this line should appear in the bottom left corner of your windscreen. If you keep this line in the bottom left corner of your windscreen, your car will remain in the center of the lane. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.